Hey folks, in today's video, I'm showing something I have been working on. This is not a how-to video like some of the other videos I've posted here on the channel. It's just some quick overview. Obviously, you can make worm and regular gears in the gear workbench like I have here in Freecad 1.1. This was, just whipped up in about 2 or 3 minutes worth of just a regular typical worm gear with a single land and a involute gear. But they can also be drawn with, is one in progress, but they can be drawn with double-throated nature. You can see the gears wrap around each other for more torque and more holding torque and um, transmits more motion. There will be more friction in it, but of course, but um, anyway, it's just one way of doing it. This was taken with regular gear. I cut out the tooth pattern from a typical gear and swept it at an angle to the face of the um, regular gear, and then copied the inverse of it and piped it around the worm gear itself. And then here's another one done the same fashion with saw teeth, which is just a different tooth profile you can experiment with. Anyway, um, obviously you have to take care not to angle the teeth into the profile on the edges. They have to be straight in so that well, you know why, but so they or else it'll bind. But anyway, I have full confidence that these would both print and work fine. But anyway, all right, see you in the next video.